This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss flowchart. Basically, flowchart is a flow of diagrams, flow of symbols which are connected together with the help of flow lines, and it is a graphical representation of an algorithm, or you can call it as a pictorial representation of a computer program. Before writing computer program, if you are expert in flowchart drawing, then you can solve the problem very accurately, precisely, and you can become a good programmer also, because it's the basic learning of developing good programming skills like writing an algorithm and then drawing flowcharts. If you are capable of writing good algorithm, good flowchart, then you can become a good developer, program developer, and software developer as well. So we are gonna learn the definition. First of all, flowchart is the pictorial, or sometimes we can call it graphical representation of an algorithm. So this is the definition. It is a way of visually presenting the flow of data, the operations performed within the system, and the sequence in which they are performed. Flowchart is similar to the layout plan of a building, like an architecture makes an architect for building proposal. Likewise, we draw a flowchart with the help of symbols that are connected together with the help of the flow lines, and it is used to represent the flow of data. So this way we can easily solve a problem and can make a software according to that. As we know, a designer draws a layout plan before starting construction on a building. Similarly, a programmer prefers to draw a flowchart prior to writing a computer program. As in the case of drawing of a layout plan, flowchart is drawn according to defined rules. So there are some precise rules through which the flowchart are drawn. So we will discuss this case, and we'll give a heading of symbols of flowchart. So all the shapes which I have already drawn here in this table are called symbols, and each and every symbol is different from the other and has specific purpose. We'll discuss them over here. Flowcharts are usually drawn using some standard, or you can call them specific symbols However, other special symbols can also be developed when required. The standard symbols which are frequently used in flow charting are shown below. So we will be discussing the frequently used symbols in flow charting. So first of all, we will discuss the first one. This is an oval symbol which is used to start and of flow charts. They are also called terminator, So this oval symbol has two different purposes. It serves two different purposes. Starting of the flowchart and the ending of the flowchart, they are also called terminator. The second one, this symbol, the rectangular symbol, is used for processing whatever the equation you want, like sum is equal to a plus b. For example, I'm going to give over here, for example, sum is equal to a plus b plus c. This is an equation, and such sort of equation is used to be shown in this processing symbol. With the help of this processing symbol, rectangle, we can show the processing in a flowchart. Likewise, there's another symbol which is a parallelogram used to take input and display output. Likewise, this oval symbol serves two different purposes. This parallelogram symbol is used to serve two different purposes. One is called the input and the other one is the output. You know very well, the input is always taken from the user and the output is used to display the result. This is a diamond symbol, and this is used for decision making, like using if condition, decision making, and branching. Since it's a multi-branching statement, if is used whether the condition becomes true or false, so we can use this diamond symbol. This is another symbol. Circle is called connector. It's also called page connector. Sometimes the flowchart becomes very long, so it needs to transfer to the other page. So this connector is used to connect two different pages together. This is called off page, on page connector. Next one, arrow lines called flow lines, also called used to connect different symbols together. This one symbol is used to show any predefined process which is used earlier. Predefined process, you can call them functions or subroutines. Each and every function has its own specific functionality, and performance. And this one is used to give remarks. If you want to give some remarks, then you can use this symbol. It's used very rare, but if it is required, you can always draw this one as well. So here's we have discussed today flowchart, its definition, symbols of flowcharts, different symbols and its purposes. So this is very essential to learn the shapes and the names of the flowchart and its purposes before going to start learning the flowcharting and drawing flowchart. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching my video.